Get Class G63, 2013 upgrade, 2020 for fully changed interior and exterior. As you can see, headlight hood, fender hood, scuff, side molding, corner light, front bumper, front grille, rear bumper light, front roof, spoiler, rear roof spoiler, tire cover, all body sticker, rims, tire, interior fully dashboard, inner door, seat cover, floor mat, long screen, steering wheel. Available with installation. Welcome to order. The kit includes all the necessary parts, computers, wiring, and it's all plug-and play. We also offer a wide selection of colors and designs, and you can also order designs from famous brands. Feel free to contact us. We always have highest quality parts, largest assortment of stock, unique assortment products, professional consultation, highest service, fastest delivery, worldwide shipping, and of course for all of this little bit high prices. Worldwide shipping. For details, price, and orders, feel free to contact us inbox.